Hi, this video is all about how to connect to the remote desktop for the practicing of SAP. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are a SAP user and you want to practice in SAP. So, you may got the server access like this, right? In your mail ID or in your WhatsApp, someone have sent you the server details where it is the path. It is the path to connect to the remote desktop and where you may got the IP address and username and all. So, how to connect? So what you have to do, you just connect, search here remote desktop. Just click here the remote desktop. And once remote desktop is connected, then you will get, so the system will ask for to enter the IP address. So you have to put the IP address here. And let example, already you have logged in here, right? So you may got a existing IP address or username over here, right? So what you have to do right now, so you can go for the more solution here, and here you can change the IP address. So you have to put the IP address and the username shared with you, right? So here if I'll show you the mail ID, so it is the IP address and the username, right? So you have to put over there. So and once entering here, then go for connect. We can connect. Once connection is done, then you have to put the password. So ladies and gentlemen, I will put my password. Right. So once it is done, then click here, then click on yes, stuff, and here you will find the server details. So here you will find the server. So what you have to do, you just have to log in here, and where you will find the user details. So the server provider may give the user details over here. So you just open the Word file, and in Word file all your username login details you will find over there. Then you just click on the SAP server. So put here then put the server username and put the password, right? It is done. So it is right now logged in. During login, whatever the password you are entering in SAP, that is different from the like the server details, right? Because you may find the user details from here, right? So it is different. So when you log in, you have to give the username and password from the Word file only. Thank you.